Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to learn about voices. That is a part and parcel of transformation in English grammar. It also plays an important role in process writing. So let's see. First of all, to know voice, we are to know the definition of voice. So here is the definition of voice. Was the form of the verb that shows whether the subject of the sentence has an action or has an action done to it. Dear student, there are two kinds of voice in English. First is active voice. Example, Raj broke the window. Second is passive voice. Example, the window was broken by Raj. Dear student, as you have seen here, definition and answer bias. Let's study in detail one by one. Active bias structure. Dear student, observe these examples here. Raj is subject, broke is verb in active form, the window is object of the sentence. The subject of the sentence Raj has done something to the window, that is object, and the verb broke is in active form because it comes according to the number, person, and gender of the subject Raj. So this sentence is in active voice. Now, next, passive voice structure. The student here observe the example. The window was broken by Raj. Here, student, the subject of the sentence is the window, that is object as a subject of the verb, and object, that is Raj, subject as an object of the preposition, while verb was broken is in passive form because comes according to the number, person, and gender of the object as subject window. So this sentence is in passive voice. Let's see next. So dear student, as you have seen here two voices, so now we will know how to change one voice into another form. Observe these examples carefully. Here, inactive voice, he eats apples. In the sentence, he is subject, eats is verb, and apples are object. In passive voice sentence, apples are eaten by him. So here, apples are subject and are eaten are verbs. Him is object. As you are seeing that we interchange the place of subject and object when we change active sentences into passive. So in this way, the subject and object of verb interchange near places when voices are interchanged. The subject of the verb in the active voice becomes the object of the verb in passive voice. The object of the verb in the active voice becomes the subject of the verb in the passive voice. Second, the verb of the active voice changes into passive form the verb that you say past participle or third form of the verb. In passive voice, key form of the verb is and are was verb been and being which put before the main verb. In passive voice, according to the tense, and the main verb is used according to the subject. Now let's understand through the examples. Here are examples. Active sentence: he gives me a pen every day. Passive: I am given a pen by him every day. Dear student, what you observe here in active sentence? You see the gives is verb and it changes into passive form given, that is past participle. So in this way, by changing form of the verb, we make passive. Next, rule third, preposition by is placed after the main verb of the passive sentence followed by the subject of the active voice, which now becomes the object of the preposition. Dear student, look at these two examples. First sentences in active voice, while second is passive voice of the active sentence. Here you see that he, that is the subject in active voice, is used at the place of object in passive voice, and just keyboard which by is used. So I hope that you have understood. Now let's see various tenses and change of voice of these sentences. First of all, simple present tense. If voice sentence is he reads a book, passive of the sentence will be the book is read by him. Simple past, he read a book, passive of the sentence will be a book was read by him. Simple future, he will read a book, passive of the sentence will be a book will be read by him. Present progressive means present continuous tense. He is reading a book is being read by him. Past progressive means past continuous. He was reading a book was being read by him. Present perfect, he has read a book has been read by him. Past perfect, he had read a book had been read by him. Future perfect, he will have read a book. Passive of the sentence will be a book will have been read by him. Now come to the next. Dear student, as you have seen that there are some tenses whose sentences are changed into passive verb, but there are some tenses whose sentences can be changed into passive. Let's see. These tenses are future progressive, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. And one important thing that is given in note that an active voice sentence can be changed into a passive voice sentence when it has an object. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, जब एक्टिव वॉइस के सेंटेंस में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हो तभी या तभी आप उस सेंटेंस को पैसिव में बदल सकते हैं. नाउ हियर आर सम क्वेश्चंस which is based on your study that you have done today in this video. So dear student, let's check your understanding. Change the following into passive voice. Question number 1. Ram reads a book. Options are: a book is read by Ram, a book was read by Ram, a book am read by Ram, a book are read by Ram. Correct option is a book is read by Ram. Now next question number 2. Why did you waste time? Option A. Why is time wasted by you? Why was time wasted by you? Why will time be wasted by you? Why was time wasted by yours? Correct option will be D. Why was time wasted by you? Now question number 3. Rajesh will invite you tomorrow. Options: you shall be invited by Rajesh tomorrow. You will be inviting by Rajesh tomorrow. You will be invited by Rajesh tomorrow. You will be invited by Rajesh tomorrow. So correct option will be you will be invited by Rajesh tomorrow. Now come to the next. Is he writing a letter to his friend? Options: is a letter being written by him to his friend? B. Is his friend being written a letter by him? Option C. Both A and B are correct. Option D. Both A and B are incorrect. What will be the correct option? C. Both A and B are correct. Practice makes perfect, dear student. Now it's practice time. You have to do some questions. Now working for the questions was 1. Change following into passive voice. Dear student, here are 5 sentences which you are to change into passive voice. Now question number 2. Do the exercise A, B and C of your new grammar class book. Dear students, in this way today's lesson ends here. We will meet in next. Till now, keep growing, be happy, keep learning. Thank you.